Unlock a deeper understanding of market sentiment by mastering the anchored volume profile tool on Tradingview. First, let's access the tool. Open your Tradingview chart and locate the Indicators button from the drop-down menu. Find and select Volume Profile. You'll notice a new icon in your top toolbar. Click on this icon, and then select Anchored Volume Profile. Now, the magic happens. Click on a significant historical price level on your chart where you want to anchor the volume profile. This is crucial for your analysis. For example, you might choose the start of a major trend, a significant breakout point, or a preceding swing high or low. Once you've anchored it, you'll see a horizontal histogram appear. This histogram represents the volume traded at specific price levels within the chosen time frame from your anchor point. The longest bar signifies the point of control, or POC, the price level with the highest volume traded. This is a pivotal area where significant buying and selling pressure occurred. Observe the areas surrounding the POC. These are often referred to as the value area high, or VAH, and the value area low, or VAL. These zones, typically encompassing about 70% of the total volume, represent where the majority of trading activity and consensus price has been established. Prices that consistently stay within these areas often indicate a period of consolidation, while moves outside can signal shifts in market sentiment. You can anchor the volume profile multiple times to compare volume distribution from different historical events. This allows you to identify consistent areas of support and resistance based on where the most volume was absorbed. Look for price levels where the bars are consistently large across different anchored profiles, as these are strong indicators of historical interest. By understanding where significant volume has traded, you can anticipate potential reactions from price. For instance, a price approaching a historical high-volume node might find strong support or resistance. This tool is invaluable for identifying potential trading opportunities and improving your overall trading accuracy.